Hello and welcome back. I am currently outside with my brother doing a fire. Why are there so many fire tornadoes when we do this? It's a lot. You see it? You see, look. Why are there so many fire tornadoes? Oh my gosh, you see this rotation? Tornado! Tornado! During the party, we actually got a tornado watch, which was concerning. You see this? You see the rotation? That is a fire tornado. What? It's not a pork. Oh, no! You see, look at the tornado. I'm gonna make this video on this fire tornado, but wow, look at that. I'm gonna zoom out a bit so that the camera is focused completely on the tornado. I'm gonna back away from the fire so that it's not completely at the screen. Oh wow, look at that. Look at that tornado. It's crazy. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to show you that there's a fire tornado inside of the campfire.